This video will be on how to install the DeepOnion Wallet version 2.0.2 on Tails operating system using one script, and all configuration is done with autostart after reboot, with needing to put in only one sudo, the password once. So we will open a terminal, cd into persistent. You will need to have persistence turned on for personal files, applications, and dot files. You'll need dot files turned on for the automatic configuration. Okay, so we're in persistent. We will go to the deeponion.org website, community, scroll down to tutorials, go to the unofficial Totally Awesome DeepOnion install. This is a step up, an upgrade from that. It used two scripts, and you needed to type in the sudo password 3 times after each reboot. This will save a lot of those steps. So we will copy this line, go back to our terminal, paste it, then we will execute, install do202.sh. It'll all go basically just like the previous way of doing it, with all the putting in the passwords, so you'll want a short password for when you're doing the setup. And it's already installing the DeepOnion Qt wallet and the dependencies. This is where we'll do a little bit of copy and paste for our deeponion.conf file. Select all, copy, close the browser, press enter. We're in an editor. Paste, Control X, Y, enter. Hit enter again. This will be for configuration of the firewall. We'll select all of that, copy, close the browser, It'll open a copy of the firewall rules that's kept in our persistent area. Paste. Control X, Y, enter. Put in sudo password again, and again, and again, and again. Blockchain is going to download. If you already have it downloaded, you can Control C at this point. If not, just press enter to continue. And we'll turn off recording for a bit because you don't want to sit here for an hour and watch the blockchain download. Okay, the blockchain is almost downloaded. And then it'll unzip. That'll take a couple minutes, so we'll break for a minute here. Screen says we're ready to go, so let's see what happens. And we're going to pause a little bit here because it is the Deep Vault version that I'm installing. If you don't want to install the Deep Vault version so that it will verify quicker, you can change the comment character, the £, the regular version without Deep Vault is on the line above or below the line, and you can change that if you wish. I haven't checked to see if anything else needs changed if you change that. In other words, the startup links or anything like that. If nothing else, the link in the menu should always work. But I will do some more testing and leave word on the forum how that goes, switching from the Deep Vault to the non-Deep Vault version. Okay, you should be connecting up soon here. Sometimes it hooks up really quick on Tor, other times it takes a little while. If it starts to take too long, we'll take a break again. But we'll give it a minute here. As soon as it does start syncing, I will. There, we're hooked up. I'm going to reboot and show you the screen that you are greeted with when you restart and what you have to do at that point to use your DeepOnion wallet on Tails. So go ahead and I'll let that catch up first. While that's catching up, I'm going to pause here again, and then I'll reboot and be back.